Hello and welcome to Celoxis Knowledge Series videos. In this video, we will show you how to reorder custom fields easily. Reordering custom fields allows you to control their sequence in various forms and overview screens. Let's see how to reorder custom fields. Once you log in, click on the profile icon at the bottom left corner and select the admin option from the list. On the admin screen, under Customizations, click on Custom Fields. To reorder the custom fields, select the Reorder button. You can then drag and drop the different custom fields to reorder them. For example, if you want to reorder the custom field Severity to position 1 and Probability to position 2, simply drag and drop the field and place it at the desired position on the list. This is how you can reorder custom fields. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more tutorials.